She had a shiny little Beamer with the rag top down, sitting in the drive, but she wouldn't get out. The dogs were all barking and a wagging around, and I just laughed and said, y'all get it. She had on a new dress and she curled her hair. She was looking too good not to go somewhere. Said, what you wanna do, baby, I don't care. We could go to the show, we could stay out here, and I could take you for a ride on my big green tractor. We could go slow, or make it go faster, down through the woods and out to the pasture. As long as I'm with you, it really don't matter. Climb up in my lap and drive if you want to, girl. You know you got me to hold on to. We could go to town, but baby, if you'd rather, I'll take you for a ride on my big green tractor. So we can fire it up and I can show you around. Sit upon the hill and watch the sun go down. When the fireflies are dancing and the moon comes out, we can turn on the lights and head back to the house. And I can take you for a ride on my big green tractor. We could go slow or make it go faster, down through the woods and out to the pasture. As long as I'm with you, it really don't matter. Climb up in my lap and drive if you want to, girl. You know you got me to hold on to. We could go to town, but baby, if you'd rather, I'll take you for a ride on my big green tractor. Just let me dust off a sheet. Put your pretty little arms around me. Hell yeah. I hate you all. You can climb up in my lap and drive if you want to, girl. You know you got me to hold on to. We can go to town, but baby, if you'd rather, I'll take you for a ride on my big green tractor. Oh yeah, yeah. We can go to town, or we could go another round on my big green tractor.